it's Christy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am super excited about it because I am doing my first ever slime smoothie on this channel. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know what a slime smoothie is, but for those who don't, it's basically when you take a bunch of slimes and mix them all together into one giant slime. So that's what we're doing today on my channel. Most of these slimes are slimes from my shop, but I'm also going to be including other slimes into the mix. So I hope that you guys enjoy today's video. And for today's post notification shout out, there are 5 of you guys, and the first one goes out to Lily Soloway, Emma B, Crystal Curran, Squishy Turtle, and Michaela Rawson. Thank you guys so much for having my post notifications on. And if you guys want to get shouted out in my next video, make sure you click the little bell after you subscribe and comment down below when you have done that. I'm gonna keep this intro nice and short, so let's just get right into the slime smoothie. Woo! Okay, so I have this clear tub right here, and it's a pretty big tub, so we're just going to start filling all these slimes in this tub. Some of these might be kind of sticky or melted because they've been sitting around, and some of them have actually been sitting around for like months. So if any are really like sticky or liquidy, I promise it's just because they've been sitting around for a while. First ever slime smoothie on this channel, and I'm kind of nervous just to see how things turn out because I've seen so many turn out like good and then some just turn out really like nasty. And I'm hoping that this one doesn't turn out that bad. Ooh, these are super liquidy and melted. A lot of these slimes are from my restocks, so if I made extra and didn't sell out, or if they're just bad slimes that I didn't like, they would be included in this. Okay, so I was having so many issues putting this video together, and I actually almost lost all of my footage for this video. So the cover of my SD card broke just as I was saving all the footage onto my computer. So I had to order a new SD card and wait for that to come in so I could cut it open and put the memory chip in it because the memory chip was still good. And SD cards are like impossible to open. And I was using a box cutter and I cut my finger and I was bleeding everywhere. And I know that's super gross and TMI, but this is the struggle I had to go through to finally recover the footage. So a lot of the audio on this is gone. So we are just going to do a quick time lapse until the end when I mix all the slimes together. So enjoy the slime smoothie montage. And I'm super nervous and excited to see what we're gonna get because there's a really good mix of things in here. There's like slushy beads, cloud slimes, foam beads, but I'm also like a little worried because some of the slimes in here were brown, so I just don't want it to turn out really ugly looking. There's also a lot of orange in here too. So, ooh, that looks so pretty right there. My table that I'm working on is such a mess right now. You don't even want to see it. And we'll just keep on mixing. Okay, so it's starting to turn to like a purplish brownish color. It's actually like a pinkish brownish color. It didn't turn out like how I wanted it to, but it's not bad. So, after mixing it, we have our final slime. It is kind of like a brown, but it kind of like reminds me of frozen yogurt slash M&Ms. I don't know why. I actually like this one a lot because it's not like a really dark brown, it's a really light pinkish brown. So I can deal with that. It smells really fruity and smells like Fruit Loops almost. It smells really good. I would say this didn't turn out too bad. I actually kind of like this. So yeah, that's the final result. And that's all that I have for you guys this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed my first ever slime smoothie creation on my channel. And as always, if you guys are not following me on my social media links, make sure you guys check me out on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm always on my Snapchat and trying to reply to you guys as much as I can. I'm trying to get better at posting on my Instagram, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. And that's all that I have for you guys. I love you all so, so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys!
Did you know you're on fire? Did you know that you're beautiful? Did you know that you're gorgeous? Yeah, yeah.